Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining the live stream today. Okay, so today's live stream, because we start at 9:30, so basically, New York session open now. Okay, let's see if we are able to do live streaming all the way up to 10:30 or not today. If that is something that we will be doing, I'll be sharing with you guys live analysis and also predictions of possibly where the price will be heading to next. All right. Let me do my intro first. Okay, once I got the intro done, usually I can just proceed with today's session. Hello, everybody. For those that are new, thank you so much for joining the live stream. My name is Guna. Sorry if I look a bit tired. Actually, I am quite tired today. Okay, but I still want to make sure that I speak to you guys today. My name is Guna. I've been trading for the past 3 years now. Okay, so what we do on my YouTube channel and also these live stream sessions, basically I share daily mappings. Okay, I share my fundamental analysis, my technical analysis, my strategies, what I think the market will be doing, why I think the market will be moving as such. If the market is moved to a certain point, for example, a very strong move to the downside, very strong move towards the upside, what are the potential reasons why? All of these things I basically share almost daily so that anybody that is interested to become a trader can learn all of these valuable informations 100% for free. So that's basically what I do in my channel. If that sounds interesting to you, all right, and you are, how to say, an inspired trader yourself, please feel free to click subscribe. Okay, like the video if you haven't already. Liking the video is 100% free, guys. Very easy thing to do, but it will help me a lot in terms of being able to reach out to as many other like-minded traders as yourself, potentially find their way through coming into our community lah. Okay, because we actually have a Discord community whereby my goal is basically to create as many genuine traders as I can and put all of us in a single room. That room is basically my Discord community, whereby we be able to share our own analysis, share our ideas, our predictions. That way, being in a proper environment, we'll be able to learn so much more from other like-minded traders and keep on growing and growing and growing. All right, because I got the opportunity to also be part of this type of environment, and I realized how much it benefited me, especially when I felt lost in trading. Okay, for those that have been doing trading for quite some time and maybe you're still finding some difficulties, okay, especially in terms of how the market is actually moving, I understand you, I hear you. Okay, just don't worry. All right, that is part of the process. Okay, we as traders, we have to go through a lot of emotional stages in trading. Okay, being with the right type of people and also the perfect trading environment will help us a lot in terms of controlling our emotions. Whenever we feel lost, we will always have someone else to put us back on track. So that's basically what I'm doing about having our own trading community, which is our Discord community lah. If you guys want to join, again, it's 100% for free. Please feel free to register through the link in the description below. Okay, it just says register to be a free trader, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, that will take you to a Google form. Once you're there, you're registered, that's my number on the screen, and that's my Instagram as well. So once you guys have registered, just please let me know. Okay, the reason why is because when you let me know only, I'll be able to share with you the Discord community link. Then you guys can join in and then see how our community is like, the daily mappings that we share, and so on and so forth. Okay, still a growing community. Okay, still growing, but I know that we will grow a lot more and more and more lah. All right, that's my hopes. Okay. So without further ado, guys, let me welcome first some of you. Hi, thank you so much for joining. ever since I joined your community, my trading really did improve a lot. I appreciate that so much. To be honest, my trading also improved a lot when I joined a specific community. This one is mixed with traders from Taiwan. They're amazing people and very, very, very professional traders. Thank you for giving me the chance to learn from you. I appreciate. Thank you for giving me the chance to teach you. Even though I'm slow, doesn't matter. Slow learner, fast learner, we all learn together. Trading is a Rubik's cube. Okay, how you solve the Rubik's cube, it is up to you. But regardless whichever combination you choose to use, you will be able to reach the same destination as the other person holding another Rubik's cube. All right. So let's get into today's session, everybody. Okay. So today we just focus on BTC. All right. Basically Bitcoin. Maybe we will go through ETH also. Let's see. Okay. Maybe I'll just cross check. Okay, to see ETH. But the reason why we just go for BTC, it is because Bitcoin actually had this quite strong move towards the downside. Okay, this was actually such a beautiful move. Okay, especially during New York session. It was an insane, how to say, move lah. I already said that, right? Insane move to collect profits lah. I managed to get in some. Okay, roughly about halfway here, I managed to get in some profits. Okay, there are a few of you guys actually up to 100+% you guys earn just from this. Congrats. Okay, thank you for sharing inside the Discord community. So also happy to see that. All right, this was amazing move lah. It's very simple also. The strategy is just understanding who was in control, understanding the supply and demand area, and then once price came into this area, finding out certain things that we want to see based on our trading strategies. All right. And then I saw this, not really trend line, but this is just based on my strategy on how I like to trade. Only if it's applicable now. Okay, not always it's there. Okay, but when it's there, I will always make sure I draw it out just to give me an extra confirmation for price to see how low it will go. We actually catch this move yesterday during our live session, way before London session actually moved all the way down. Okay, during New York session, wow, again, it actually continued the trend. Usually, New York like to be a little bit stubborn. I mentioned this quite a few times already. So what I mean by stubborn, right, is nothing to do related to uh, price being very difficult to predict. To be honest, we cannot predict anything 100%. Okay, I gotta lay that out first. Okay, we as traders, we know that no one can be able to predict something 100%, but we can train ourselves to be really good at predictions. And how do we do that? Is basically we keep trading and trading and trading and trading and keep learning and learning and learning. Okay, this is something that we can do lah, as traders lah. It just depends how much are we willing to put in the effort into keep on putting ourselves back into the market. Okay, so very simple. You guys can see. So the live was actually yesterday's live. Okay, we actually caught this move all the way towards the downside. Okay, where I actually was just anticipating London low to be taken out, but it went way lower than that, guys. Okay, it was such a beautiful move. So today, let's speak about today because New York session is already in, guys, and we're starting to see some push towards the downside. All right, that's what we can see so far, which is a beautiful thing lah, and kind of something we are expecting to see. You guys might be thinking, why you say kind of something you're expecting to see? If you ask this, then you ask the correct question. Okay, so based on our 15-minute time frame, okay, I'm able to analyze, okay, that we have an OB zone here, okay, and this OB zone, again, not 100% means it will hold price. All right, nothing in trading is 100%. This is just my concepts, okay, that I'm sharing with you. When price actually created this OB zone, can you see how powerful of a move actually went down? Okay, then price, okay, starts to go back slowly. All right, very slowly, and then now we're in the OB zone again. So based on common trading concepts, okay, basic trading concepts and understanding, whenever price comes into this OB zone, it should react the same way as how it initially made price move. Okay, therefore, hence towards the downside. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, pretty simple and pretty, I cannot say predictable lah. Okay, nothing is 100% predictable, but based on common sense and common understanding of the trading platform, this is what OB zone acts like lah. All right. So this is why we are starting to see some sort of price movement towards the downside. All right. Also, let's be honest and fair. London session did not really have that beautiful, that nice of a momentum. Okay, of course, at least it managed to take out Asia high. All right, and right now during New York session, we actually starting in between of London. Okay, so what does that mean? You might ask, okay, Vanessa, what does that mean? Is there a problem if it starts in between? I won't say it's a problem, okay, but there's something you guys have to know. We could be seeing, okay, New York session go down to take out London low, and then we start to see a move towards the upside. Because what? London low or London high or Asia low, they hold something very important, which is something price is moving towards to that. If you guys ask me, what is that? What is that so interesting that price is moving towards to? Liquidity. Okay, price is moving towards liquidity. That is what price is doing. Price always finds liquidity. Okay, every low of a session there are millions and millions and millions of dollars. Okay, guys, so once price took out certain points of liquidity, then price has the power to either move towards the upside or the downside. That is why I say, regardless whatever OB zone we draw, regardless whatever trend line we draw, regardless whatever breaker block fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, it doesn't matter. If we don't understand one very important structure and important question, who is in control? Okay, because in trading, okay, we must always remember to humble ourselves and remind ourselves that we are tagged, okay, we are tagged as retail traders. Okay, the people that really can move the market, okay, they are called market makers lah. The market makers, the bankers, okay, these are the people that really can move the markets, okay, because they have power. They have what fund, not fundamental, what am I say, fundamental, they have funds lah, okay, big funds, guys, huge funds to make moves like this. So this is the reason behind, okay, to remind ourselves to not really be greedy in the market. Okay, don't think that if we place, sorry guys, someone text me. If we place buy orders or if we place sell orders, right, that means confirm the market will be moving in our direction. Please do not, I repeat, have this mindset because it's a very dangerous mindset to have. Okay, just remember that no matter how much funds we have, we cannot control the markets, we cannot move the markets, and remind yourself that it is okay. It really is okay. Just try to find out who is in control in the current session. Based on that, we'll be able to analyze and understand potentially where price may be heading to next. You see, price took out London low, and then now we're starting to see a little bit of a struggle to move down. Okay, this is also common. This is also normal. Like I said, every low we have millions and millions and millions of dollars of liquidity. Okay, for those that are new, right, maybe you guys wondering what is liquidity. I keep mentioning liquidity basically means funds. Okay, when you want to trade, okay, in the trading field, okay, you only can do two things. You can buy or you can sell. Sorry guys, I ate so much just only. Okay, on top of that I was tired. Okay, tired, and then I eat so much. Usually when we eat a lot, we feel like so extra drowsy. That's how I'm feeling right now. So if you see like I'm drunk, I don't drink. Okay, I drink water. This is water. I drink coffee also sometimes. Okay, stony. It's not nothing crazy. I'm not drunk. Okay, I'm normal. I hope this is normal for you all. Okay, if you want me to prove this is water, I don't know how lah. Okay, just trust me lah. Huh? So what do we do here? You might be asking me, okay, Guna, so now I understand. You already share with me this concept. You share with me, okay, there is liquidity under each flow. Okay, there's so much of money. Now, price has the power to move either up or down. Okay, fine. But how will that help me in my trading analysis for today? Very good question. If you ask this now, we wait. Okay, because I shared something very important just now. Who is in control? Okay, this is a concept you must literally fix it inside of your mind and never forget. Okay, keep on reminding yourself who is in control, who is in control, who is in control. So far, we are seeing bears here. Okay, so far. Again, for those that don't know, if you are new, thank you so much for joining. Bears basically means people that are pushing the price down, like this. This is bears. Okay, this is called a bearish trend. Okay, vice versa. When price is moving in an upward direction, this is a very terrible drawing, man. Okay, hold on. Think this is okay? Okay, lah, still terrible, but okay, lah, you get the idea. Lah. This is moving in an upward trend. Okay, this is called, oh, okay, yeah. This is called a bullish trend because we are moving towards the upside. Okay, whenever you speak to any trader, okay, if they say are bulls here, are bears here, that's what they're referring to. Lah. Bulls means are they asking if the price is going to go up? Bears means they're asking if the price is going to go down. Okay, so right now, bears so far seems to be present. Okay, but personally, I don't like to act on anything when 9:30. I don't care if price goes very low or I miss so much of pips. I don't really care much. The only thing that I'm more focused on is understanding before 10:30 because 10:30 is when the New York Stock Exchange opens. Okay, there's a reason why I prefer to trade around this time. I will show you again. You guys don't have to follow me. Okay, before I share what I'm going to say, remember that trading is a Rubik's Cube concept. Whatever I share with you guys, okay, whatever I teach you guys, all of this is my own trading concepts based on what I'm able to understand and build over 3 years plus of trading. That is what I able to understand and learn and also be able to earn profits from it. Okay, but it's not necessarily means that you must follow 100% what I do. Okay, that's not what I want you guys to know. I'm here in hopes to build you guys to become your own individual trader. Okay, some of you I'm actually very proud in the community. You guys are sharing your analysis ready to me. Okay, and the analysis all is going in the correct direction. To be honest, even if it doesn't, I'm still very happy. The reason why is because you guys are trying. Okay, regardless whatever analysis it is, just know if the price didn't go according to what you analyze, it doesn't mean you're wrong because no analysis is always 100%. That is why I said this OB zone is not 100% neighborhood price. Okay, it is a valid OB zone, but it doesn't mean neighborhood price. Okay, this is valid showing potential bears, but doesn't mean bears will really be here. Okay, price will always speak to you. So just try to learn and wait and understand what is price trying to tell us right now. Okay, regardless whatever it is, okay, just keep trying, guys. Keep trying, keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. Okay, so coming back here, why I personally like 10:30. Sometimes 9:30 we see very powerful moves towards the downside. This has happened to me personally. All the things I'm sharing with you is not things that I made up. It's all based on losses that I faced throughout my years of experience in trading. Okay, when 10:30 kicks in, okay, I start to see many shifts and crazy shifts, guys. Okay, crazy up move shifts. But at the same time, I've seen this happen also. This, okay, this is 9:30, okay, 10:30, okay, and then it shift down. Continue. It continues to trend. A really powerful move down. Okay, I've seen this happen also. If you ask me, okay, so which one is most likely to happen now? Which one is the how to say the pattern that reoccurs most of the time? There's no number. There's no percentage I can give you that. It is random, guys. It is really random. Okay, and that's the thing about trading. You cannot 100% predict something, but through your years of experience and also through your years of analysis, back testing, okay, you'll be able to be quite good in predicting certain things, especially how the market will start to behave. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. Basically, I'm showing you guys all of this live, like how we captured this beautiful move yesterday. Again, I would highly recommend that you guys watch yesterday's live stream. Literally, when I joined the live stream, right, I purposely was so excited to speak about this potential move because price was actually here, way before it even broke below. Okay, and then we spoke about the whole move all the way down. There's a lot of value in that video that you guys can learn, which usually if you go to institutions out there, you have to pay thousands just to learn about it. Okay, I do it for free. Okay, because I have hopes that I want to be able to build genuine traders where we all can communicate together and learn and grow and share our analysis, everything, all of us lah, together, okay, in our Discord community, which we'll be able to create a very beautiful trading environment where whenever anybody else, a newbie or maybe someone that has been doing trading for quite some time, they also find their interest that they really, really, really want to become traders, we can welcome them with open arms. Okay, where we will be able to help them, and then they will be able to help somebody else. Okay, that's all what I really want. All right. Again, if you guys are interested to be on that path with us, all for free, please feel free to register the link in the description below. Once you've done, this is my number. Okay, on top of that, you see here 11013617196. Okay, the WhatsApp number, and this is my Instagram handle lah. So once you register, please feel free to reach out to either one of these places. Just let me know that you registered, so I can pass you our Discord community link. All right. So guys, let's just now, okay, right now, let's just chill, relax, wait, because I want to see around what price will do all the way up to 10:30, okay, and then potentially let's see if we will have any trading opportunities to enter the market. Okay, but so far, okay, just remember, this is a OB zone that we analyze. Okay, so far price is respecting this OB zone, but again, depend who is in control. If suddenly bulls want to be in control, no OB zone will be able to hold them. Okay, they'll be very strong. Same if OB zone is from the below, okay, from the bottom. Imagine, okay, imagine this is the OB zone. This is actually OB zone. All right, imagine that. All right, if suddenly bears come in, like this is really bears, okay, nothing can hold them also. Confirm they will break through with ease. Okay, because the OB zone also is set by them. So I mean, if they want to break it, they can lah. It's up to them lah what they want to do. All right. So now let's just wait, analyze, and see what is price actually showing us right now. And let me see this price. This is high 86698.26, 86696.05. Okay, just a bit lower. Okay, this is not a strip here, but this is definitely a strip here. Okay, so far this is the sweep. Okay, so this is the gap. If price wants to respect these bands, okay, what will happen? Price comes down, right? Now we're seeing a move, right? It will come up to this point, at least mitigate this area, or even fill up the gap, and then we will start to see a move down. Okay, this will only happen, like I said, if price respect the bears that are showing their footprint right now in the market. Okay, so let me write down potential bears. All right, this one, okay, maybe I put it higher a bit. It's okay. Okay, yeah. So it really depends right now what price will do upon reaching the mitigation zone. All right, let's say this is again, this is just a brief drawing of the mitigation zone. Okay. Okay, so let's just see how price will react upon reaching this side lah. I just make this a little bit less noticeable so you guys can still see it. Okay, you guys still can see that. You see it? Right now we're starting to see quite strong movement towards the upside. The reason why I say, okay, we have to understand if price will respect the zone or not, because like I highlighted, under every low, this is London low, okay? Price took it out, right? And then we're seeing a strong reaction towards the upside, London low. Every low, there's millions and millions and millions of dollars. Okay, when I say that means price now has a lot of power, funding power, if either they want to move towards the upside or if they want to move towards the downside. Okay, they can either choose to respect this OB zone, they can choose to respect the bears that are here, they can choose to respect the mitigation. If this happens, okay, close your eyes, just enter for sell, guys. All right, you guys can aim for Asia low, okay, potentially even lower. We can be going even lower. We can go to take out even this New York low. So if this respects, okay, only if it respects. Everything in trading has to do with respecting who is currently in control. Everything has to do with that. Okay, we remove this. This is not important as of now. Okay, but of course, regardless what we draw, what we analyze, okay, the trade could play out very, very differently also. Just understand like this is all part of trading, okay? That's why we always must understand if this does not respect where potential price will be going, we can be aiming for price to take out at least this New York highs, okay? That is why I personally, the way I trade, I wait a lot, guys. Really a lot I wait. I don't mind if I miss out on the price or so, it is okay. I will have another day to trade. It is totally fine for me. Okay, roughly in the mitigation zone. Okay, right now we are in equilibrium level. Okay, if we mark out the overall. But again, I don't mind. I still want to wait and see up to this point. Okay, this is just personal preference. Okay, there are some traders, okay, when they draw this, they will draw all the way, majority lah, okay. The moment price reaches equilibrium, they're seeing a bearish candle, they will enter. Also can, not wrong. This is just my own personal preference in terms of how I like to trade. Okay, it's just I personally my style of trading. I saw a lot more of how to say positive outcome. Is that the term? Yeah, I guess so lah. Right? Positive outcome lah by trading this way. Okay, being a lot more how to say restricted in the way how I trade. This really helped me a lot lah. To be honest lah. To be honest lah. Okay, we all have to be honest here, right? Because I want to build genuine traders. It has to begin with me, right? So yeah. Okay, wait, guys. You guys just watch the screen first, okay? Just try to understand what price will do, okay, upon reaching this mitigation zone, okay? If price starts to suddenly decide, I don't like this mitigation, I want to break through and then continue up. Remember that price can do this, okay? Because why? It already took out millions of dollars. So he has funding power. Let me just find a little bit more liquidity ranges that we may have in this zone. Okay, starting to see a move down. Okay, so we have this range here. Okay, this is the top lah. This is also counted. This one also, yeah. Okay, and then we have this one also here. Again, don't worry about these lines. This is just part of my own trading strategy. All right. Then we're starting to see a nice move towards the downside. Again, like I said, this is my mitigation area. Okay, but for those traders that draw all the way down, it already reached a mitigation area, and then price is starting to move towards the downside. It's just personally my trading style. Okay, I don't mind if I miss out on this. I still prefer to just wait because, like I said, my trading time frame, okay, that I focus on is 10:30. I don't care whatever price move before 10:30. Okay, I like to see 10:30. What am I looking at? Okay, to be honest, I want price to move towards the downside because I have a lot of room and also targets that I'm aiming for, especially towards the downside compared towards the upside. Okay, so for today, my analysis mostly 70% is towards the downside, 30% is towards the upside. So if it's going up, also we know what to do because why? We have our targets. So also we have to make sure that the volume is good for New York session lah. So far I'm seeing quite okay lah, the volume lah, not so bad lah. Let me double confirm before the session starts. If we have any news or not today. I did today. I didn't check yet, guys. I need to check first that. Hold on, today is what? Today is 27. 9:30 we do have news. Oh, we have unemployment claims also. So it was bad for US. Apparently the how to say the report came out actually bad for US. But we have other news also. Some of them are good, but they're not really that how to say effective in news. So bad for US usually cryptocurrencies will move towards the upside. Okay, they move in opposite direction. So if good for US usually will go up, right? Okay, but cryptocurrency will go down. But if bad for US, usually cryptocurrency will go up, and then US of course will go down because bad for them, right? Okay. But in this case, let's see, because I still hoping price will go down. because there's a lot more potential areas that we can be aiming for lah. Okay, but again, it's okay. If it breaks through this area, like I said, we can potentially be aiming for the New York high. Okay, you can put this is still a good trade lah, to be honest lah. Still quite a few pips that we can collect in. Okay, so quite a few points. All right. So guys, if you just have any questions, please feel free to just let me know, okay, in the chat, and I'll get back to you. Give me a few moments, okay, for me to go and just refill my water, okay, and then I'll get back to you guys. You guys enjoy music, okay? Any questions? Feel free. Oh, hold on. We have a few. Sometimes a waiting game. Yes, trading actually always is a waiting game one. Then when we don't wait, that's when the market will take us out lah. Oh yeah, teacher, do you have any idea why BTC recently keep dropping? Actually, right, I do. There was a news, I read. Wait, let me find it. I read about it. I screenshot I share to you right now. Right. Let me find the news that I read. Where is it? Where is it? Because I didn't read it online. It was like on Instagram, that I follow some pages where they will share this thing. So I don't know how to find that page now on Instagram because I never save it. Hold on. This is not the news now. Okay, trading possibly affecting. This one also they're talking about trading indicators. Okay, this is not the one. Let me find the one. Actually, got a reason. The one that I saw online was very easy to read. I understand that. Where is it? Now also we see price is moving down, guys. Just be aware. The news is now they say is what bad for US. So 10:30 may change the current movement. Just be aware. If you guys have entered this already, right? Like I said, around this part also can enter. This is just my preferred level. Okay. If you enter from here, means right now you're in profits lah. Okay. Just be aware to always protect your capital lah, guys. Sorry lah, guys. I couldn't really find the thing that I saw on Instagram. Maybe later I'll try to check and see on Instagram if I can find the post or not. Because I remember I got like it. I know Instagram you can see the post that you like, right? So once I find it already, right, then maybe I will show you guys lah during this live stream, okay? Now let me go and get my glass of water. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask. I will find the post and share with you guys, okay? Okay, you guys watch price here, okay? Enjoy the music first, Sorry guys, if you guys wondering why suddenly got that sound, why? My alarm is ringing. Yeah, it's my alarm. I set for BTC. Okay, I was expecting it to go to a certain level, so then it already went out to that certain level already. All right. Oh, such a beautiful move, guys. You see, if you guys entered means, okay, you guys can either choose to close your profits right now, or you guys can set BE also. All right. Just be aware 10:30 is going to be here, okay? So I would pray if you guys have entered the trade, okay, congratulations. But remember to at least set BE, okay? Because why? Based on New York's behavior, lah, okay? They love to do manipulation moves first, okay? Potentially, this could be the first manipulation move up. Okay, but my arrow has no color already. Okay, now we can see it. Okay, so see, this potentially can be the first manipulation move up. Okay. Then now we see the true expansion. Okay. Potentially, this is a very potential move. Okay. Or we could see this being the current manipulation move. And then we will start to see the true expansion. Okay. So just be aware. If you guys have entered the trade here, means congratulations. But please at least set BE, yeah? Okay. A few of you, I saw you guys already sent your profit. You guys already earned already. Congratulations. Yeah, really congratulate yourself. Okay, congratulations. I close first when they see 10:30. Okay, okay, fine, fine, no worries, don't worry. We still have opportunity one. Okay, good job, good job. And then guys, I couldn't find the screenshot of the one that I saw on Instagram. Okay, but if I recall it correctly, it's something to do related to scam. I forgot what broker. I forgot what I to be honest, even if I remember by right, I cannot say online. But how many? I think 1 billion plus. Kena hacked and then they stole the funds. Okay, so people got very very afraid of it. So then they start to sell off all of their cryptocurrencies under that broker lah. That's why it's so important, guys, to choose the proper broker. Okay, with really really reliable brokers lah. Okay, because your funds, you see, 1 billion. I think 1 billion plus. Just like that, people just can take out, and it's a very how to say well-known broker company also in terms of the name lah. I don't know in terms of license wise, so I don't know. But in terms of the name, all is quite a well-known broker. So this is the reason it happened yesterday only. That is why suddenly you're seeing a very very strong move towards the downside lah. Like like insanely price has been dropping lah. Look at this. All of this yesterday, early yesterday. Yeah, this is. I remember like the news was shown like that like yesterday. Okay, I'm not 100% sure this is only the cause or not. Okay, of course we cannot be 100% sure. There could be many other factors as well, but this is one of the big things lah that happened yesterday. I saw the news. That's why I want to clarify with you. So I saw also, but again lah, all of the social media and stuff, right? Sometimes they just want to get fame, so they just say stuff like this. I'm not sure, but that page is quite a reliable page lah. Majority of the news that I find out about the market also is usually by them. So I think maybe it's true. Yeah, maybe it's true. I'm not 100% sure, but it could be true lah. Since considering the market did made such a tremendous move towards the downside, right? So maybe it's true lah. So guys, like I said, always choose a proper broker. Okay, your funds, your hard work. If other people take it just easily like that, so sad. For trading involves a lot of planning, a lot of mindset, a lot of emotion. Okay, let's see if there are any more questions. In 1.5 billion. Yeah, 1.5 is it? Oh wow. I 1 billion plus. I remember lah. I didn't know 1.5 lah. The hack. So yeah, of course, it's very scary because you trust. So you trust a brokerage that you, how to say, is well known, right? How come suddenly if things like this happen, it's a bit difficult to how to say, like fix it in your mind. Is it really happening to me right now? Yeah, think the huge drop really might be due to, yes. If the news is legit, right, guarantee it could be because of this lie. I mean, look at yesterday's New York session. Look at how it flew down, guys. This is such an insane move, This was what, 82,000. Do you know how long BTC, right? We have been trending above 100K. When President Trump, before he come into presidency, you know how fast the price went up to 100K. So fast it went up to 100K, and then it stood there for quite some time. Now we are trading even below 90K. That is $20,000 below initially how much price actually was lah. Okay, which is insane, guys. All right. So far, right? Okay, we are seeing these bears are potentially here. Okay, because we are seeing move towards the downside. Even though it didn't came to my personal mitigation, okay, price still did came to a mitigation zone. Okay, to a standard mitigation zone, and we're seeing a move towards the downside. Okay, now how to get more how to say, I won't say confirmation lah, but be more secure with what is actually happening right now, right? Okay, we must see the break of the period, the low lah. How is it? See this break? Oh, sorry guys, I keep burping because I eaten a lot already. Yeah. Okay. This break, right? Actually, this break is a little bit of a sketchy break. Okay. What I mean by sketchy is because what we want to see, right? When price breaks below or breaks above, let's say break below, because right now we are looking at a downtrend. Okay. When price breaks below, if price just barely goes through, and then we start to see a move up, right? Like this, this one can be considered as a swing failure structure. This one is based on SMC lah, they call it lah. When this happens, it is actually showing us an indication that buyers are now possibly interested into coming into the market as sellers lose their interest already. This is just a trading concept, but guys, it's nothing confirmed, okay? So yeah, this is what we want to see lah. But the thing we want to see is when a low gets taken out, we are really seeing a move to the downside. Then price comes above, it's fine, no problem. But when another low gets taken, we really want to see a move towards the downside. Not break and then go up. So you see this one, it breaks and then it moves up. It breaks and then straight away now we're seeing a move up. So this one is a little bit sketchy. Okay, that is why, like I said, I always prefer to wait for my areas. Okay, I always like to wait for 10:30 at least. Again, you guys don't have to trade the way how I trade. If you guys entered here, right, this is already very nice profits. Okay, see, this is the entry. Okay, stops below the high, sorry, above the high. This is already 1 to 3, guys. You're already out of the trade today. Enough. You guys already trade already. So you see, this is still a very beautiful trade. Okay, it's not necessary you have to only follow the way how I trade. That's why I keep saying, I keep referring to the Rubik's Cube concept because I really want you guys to remember that and understand whatever I teach, whatever I show is just based on what works for me. but not necessarily you guys have to follow the exact same structural way of how I trade. Okay, because I want to mold you to become the trader that you are meant to be on your own terms, on your own style of trading. Okay, the own your own timing, because everybody timing is also different. Yeah, you must be the trader that fits your own lifestyle. That is how you become even more and more and more and more successful. All right, I want you guys to be able to trade freely. Get to be the trader that who you always wanted to be lah. All right, not copy me. Copy me means you're just being me. Okay, because now also I'm inside a trading community, right, with Taiwan traders. To be honest, we all understand the similar concept, but none of us trade the same way. And it's okay. All of us are actually making money, so it's okay. Okay, we all have our own Rubik's cube. We all respect that we all have our own combinations. Okay, just our concepts and predictions and how we see the market align, because we understand concepts. We understand how market moves. But in terms of our entry points, our exit points, our SLs, our TPs can be different. But that's not the big deal. To be honest, it's not a big deal. There was once or so, I was actually going for a buy. It's yesterday. Sorry, once. Like a long time. Okay, majority everybody was going for sell. Okay, I was going for a buy here. You see, it's correct, guys. Look, it went up. Okay, but they will focus mostly on the sell. And guess what? They're correct also. See, it went down. Can you see the beautiful thing about trading? We can have different perspectives, okay, but not it doesn't mean that somebody is right and you're wrong. Okay, don't confuse your own strategy and your own understanding of the market. My understanding is price will go up, and like I said, I usually call it 1 to 3. This is more than 1 to 3, guys. I trade in the 5 minute to 1 minute time frame. All right, so if I replay this as well, we still got 2 minutes, guys. Don't worry, tentative you will see. So guys, we got 1 minute. Look at this move. See, this was my entry because price came for a pullback. I saw this move up. Okay, this is my entry. Okay, my stops was below this candle because I saw a red candle here. So yeah, 1 to 3. Yeah, roughly here. Done. Out of the trade. But this I could be taking also potentially almost a 1 to 5 lah. Alright? But I don't need to lah. Like I said, I stick to my TPs lah. Okay, that is what also helped me become successful in trading lah. Okay, you have to be a little bit strict in terms of how you trade. Then the rest actually went down. Okay, I didn't really trade the down move here. Okay, I traded towards the end part here. Okay, I just collected a few pips because I saw one opportunity to enter and I took it. I'm glad that I did. So you see, even though I said it was going up, based on myself lah, I said myself lah, okay, it was going up, and then majority of the rest said it was going down. We both were right. Okay, that's the beautiful complex thing about trading. All right, it's just something I want you guys to understand now. Okay, this is why I say I want to mold you guys to become your own individual trader, where the way you see the market is very unique to you. Okay, that is what will make you truly successful. Okay, guys, so price came up all the way above the mitigation range. This was initially the standard mitigation range. All right, so let me, okay, hold on. This box is blocking the view. Okay, so this would be, no, this is a higher point, so it should be here. Okay, so price came above the mitigation zone and now we're seeing a move towards the upside. Okay, this is my personal preference mitigation area. Okay, so let's see what price will do. On top of this order block, right, the price is respecting, right, currently. Okay, we also have to, have to give some respect to this order block here as well. Okay, so there's an order block here as well. Okay, maybe I change the color of this one so you guys can be aware of which one I'm referring to. All right. Okay, so this point here, right, this is also a form of sweep that potentially we are taking out right now, and we're seeing a move towards the downside. But have to be aware of one thing. The thing we have to be aware is this is a bullish fair value gap. Okay, a bullish fair value gap. The word itself you really can understand. Bullish, like I said just now, bullish means bulls are the people that are pushing price up, bears are the people that are pushing price down. Okay, so by right, when price comes into the mechanism lah behind it lah, when price comes into a bullish fair value gap, potentially price is supposed to move back towards the upside. Okay, not necessarily it will keep moving very high. Okay, like this line, is it starting to see move up, right? This is just based on mechanics. Okay, this is just the matrix of how price usually reacts to certain things. Okay, it's not 100%. That just based on the candle, I can see bullish candle created a gap. It's showing that buyers are actually in the market. They want to push price up. Hence why the price is reacting like that. Okay, nothing, no magic trick or anything. Okay, this is just fundamental in terms of how price reacts back to certain things. Okay, the thing now we want to wait for and look at is the mitigation range and the OB zone just above. Let's see. Okay, I put some music. You guys have any questions? Please just let me know in the chat. All right. When the price actually come to this zone, then we speak further and see if any entry opportunity or not. All right. How much price is dancing here? You want to move up, then you're like, maybe I want to move down. You want to move down, maybe you know what? Maybe I should move up. You see, this is normal. This is what we want to see actually, because during when this kind of thing happen, okay, this is when we are starting to see and price is starting to decide who is going to take control. Because initially I got wrote there right above that potential bears, as you can see in the screen, right? Hence the reason why price actually made a move towards the downside. Right now, price is very close to my preferred mitigation range. Okay, in the standard range also is actually correct already lah. It's already above the mitigation range right now. So that means price is right now in the discount zone. Okay. So price reason why is dancing right now is because you can see a strong bullish candle moving towards the upside line. That means bulls want to come in. Bulls want to take over and win. Okay. Normal lah. In trading, there's always two fighters. One is bulls, one is bear. Every candle they are fighting actually. Okay. So the reason why is they're dancing here because there's a fair value gap, but the fair value gap is actually built, okay, by the bullish bull people lah. Okay, that's why it's bullish fair value gap. And sellers, as we can understand, they of course they want to push price down. The only thing holding price right now is this bullish fair value gap. But the thing, the metric behind the bullish fair value gap also, okay, when it gets mitigated, usually it no longer holds much power. Okay, in terms of the whole price. Actually, this one already mitigated already. Okay, so it don't really have that much of power. We are just right now starting to see why we are seeing quite a few candles right now, and it is okay. Let's just be patient and wait. We just only tentativa and your session just only open. Let's see. If it goes up also, we want to wait and see when it goes to the mitigation range what it does. Okay, and if you go inside of that OB zone above the red color box I draw, what it do. If we break the above also, there are also lines that I draw on top of a bigger time frame OB zone. I want to see how it reacts to those lines also. If really all also we are starting to see bulls come in, then we can aim for yesterday New York City. Okay, and so far based on what I'm seeing more bearish price action now. Okay, just based on how the fundamental of the structure we are seeing right now. Because you see, I just mark it up. Okay, this range, we made a low. Okay, this one is a lower high. This is a lower low. This one is a higher lah. Okay, higher than this previous low. Okay, it's fine. Like I said, we are in a perfect world. Okay, see guys, moving down. Okay, in a perfect world, this is how market move. Okay, perfect world. If it's so nice, if all the time market move this way, then every single pullback we can go for some. Okay, it's so nice. The market don't move like this. Okay, this is just in fairy tale and also just for explanation purpose. Okay, so right now, just I understand. Okay, this bullish fair value gap has been filled. Okay, market don't like gaps in the market. The market doesn't like gaps, so the market usually will like to fill them up. Okay, this can be a potential entry. Oh, sorry guys, above again. Potential entry model also right now. Okay, we're starting to see nice move towards the downside. Let me see closer if I can find anything or not. We have another strip here. We have another strip here. Okay, I want to see how this candle close. This candle here. Okay, this one we can delete. The refill line limit. How this candle close? Let's see. Okay, because right now here so we have a mitigation range. It never came to this zone. It doesn't mean it won't go still. There's a chance. Okay, but so far, like I said, overall we're seeing more of a bearish move down. All right. How's moving down, guys? Okay, from here means I think the standard one we barely touched it like mitigation range. Okay, which is actually beautiful already lah. Okay, wait for it guys. This candle is moving down strong, but this one is showing no power. That means bulls and bears couldn't win here. Okay, usually this one is also potential for a reversal candle. Okay, just be patient. Price will show us if price clearly lah. If he really going to start to move now. Like here, this one was a standard mitigation range, and then we start to see bears coming in. Okay, fine. This one, okay, this one is showing no power. Based on how this candle close, then we can decide. Okay, that is going down, guys. So far, I feel that we're going to start moving down. That means this is bears actually in control. Bears actually in power. These ranges were not touched. Do they have to be touched? Not 100%. It's not necessary that they have to be touched. Nothing in trading is 100%. Okay, but overall we're starting to see move towards the downside. You guys can potentially aim for Asia low. All right. Let me see. Yeah, you guys can potentially be aiming for Asia low. This is starting to see as a very beautiful move towards the downside. We still have chance enough for this mitigation to come in. Okay, so I potentially might be ending the live already, guys, because I also want to wait and see if there are any trading opportunities now for me to enter. Okay, because right now so far I'm seeing bears in control, so potentially, like I said, you guys can be aiming for Asia low. Okay, yesterday Asia low as a price target, which is where I believe price will be going. But to be honest, since it's respecting the OB zone, I believe New York low also might Okay, just keep that in mind. Right now we're seeing very strong bear in. Okay, bears will be closing over this line, the structure, then like this close, and then you'll be starting a pullback. You guys actually can enter early, alright? Okay, I hope today's trading live trade example is actually insightful for you guys in terms of how we can see waiting actually is the key for everything, and also not necessarily whatever we draw potentially price will have to come here. Okay, nothing is 100% trading. This is just all the things that we put in place in order to make our trading much more safer. That's all right. I hope it was a great one. I hope you guys learned a lot today as much as I learned also. Alright, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. You guys have my number also and my Instagram handle now, which you guys can reach out to me if you like. I'll be more than happy to reply to you guys. Okay, if you guys want to take a step forward, okay, please feel free to register to the link in the description below to becoming a trader yourself. Then just let me know that you guys already registered. I will personally add you guys inside the Discord community where you guys can learn all of these things daily. Alright? We'll be so happy to have you guys there as well, because our goal is to create more and more and more genuine traders. Okay, if that is you, you know what to do. Okay, thank you guys, everybody, for joining today's live stream. I hope it was insightful for you as it was for me. If you guys are new, please do not forget